afternoon, students. So as we were reading A Rainy Day in your English 2 book, so today we will do the question answers of A Rainy Day. So quickly come to the question answers of Rainy Day in your book, James English Reader book, page number 27. So the first question is, where is Amol coming back from? So the answer will be, Amol is coming back from school. Amol is coming back from school. Next question, where does Amol stand when it begins to rain? So the answer will be, Amol stands under a tree. Amol stands under a tree when it begins to rain. Next question. Who comes and stands near him? So, we have read it in the book that the little pup means puppy, the little pup comes and stands near him. Next, who gets wet first? Write 1, 2 and 3. So there are serial numbers like 1, 2 and 3, and we know that the tree number 1 will be the tree gets wet first. Gets wet first. Number 2, Amol gets wet. Number 3, the little pup gets wet. So, first the tree gets wet, okay? Second, Amol gets wet, and third, the little pup gets wet. Now, in the B number, we have to tick the correct word. There are black clouds in the sky. And who sees the black clouds? So, we know the answer that Amol sees the black clouds first. Now next, how did he feel? So the answer will be scared. So he felt scared. Scared means what? Scared means frightened. Okay? Now come to the play with words. Okay? So let me erase the board first and then we will play with the words. And how we should play, we will also learn. So what is the instruction in C number? That add ing to these words and write them on the blanks. So in C number, we are instructed to add ing. So the word ing we should add with the action word. So what are the action words given? Like walk. Walk is an Action word we know. Then rain. R-A-I-N. Rain. Then eat. E-A-T. Eat. Then stand, help, play. Stand. Then help. Then play. Now what we have to do? We have to add ing with it. So what will be the word? Walking. Walking. Then if we again add ing with the word rain, it will be raining. It will be raining. Again if I add ing with eat, it will be eating. Similarly, it will be standing. It will be helping. And it will be playing. So let's read it once again. Walking, raining, eating, standing, helping and playing. Okay. Now come to the D number. In D number there are 4 pictures. There are 4 pictures. Let's see them. There are 4 pictures. So in the first picture there is one boy who is playing under the sun. In the second picture, there is blowing wind, and we can see that because the dress of the girl is also blowing. So you have to guess the weather, or you have to write the appropriate word beside the picture. And there are 4 words in the box: windy, cloudy, rainy, sunny. So the first will be sunny. Second will be windy. Third will be cloudy. And fourth will be rainy. Okay. So the sunny, windy, cloudy, rainy. 4 weathers. Okay. Now come to the next page, page number 28, and come to the spelling, E number. Okay. E number. Use the letters in the box to complete the words. So there are certain letters as A-R, O-double-L, I-double-L, A-I-N, E-double-L, A-T, and you have to fill in the blanks with appropriate letters. So first answer is given R-A-I-N. Okay. So first answer is given. Now we will do from the second. Second will be shell. S-H-E-double-L. Shell. Okay. And next will be coat. C-O-A-T. Coat. Fourth will be doll. D-O-double-L. Doll. Fifth will be beer. B-E-A-R. Beer. Sixth will be pen. P-A-I-N or P-I-double-L. Pen. Both can be correct. Okay. Now can come to the punctuation. There are 4 words, 4 sentences, and you have to punctuate the sentence. Okay. So if you notice, you will see that we always begin a sentence with a capital letter and we end up the sentence with a full stop. So similarly, we will start this like this. It is raining. It is raining. As you can see, I have started the sentence with the capital letter and end up the sentence with a full stop. Similarly, similarly I will write the other sentences like this. I got wet. I got wet. Third will be, we will play games. We will play games. And fourth will be, who will have fun? Sorry, we will have fun. Okay, so these are the 4 sentences. And now come to the grammar fun. Okay, today we will do up to the grammar fun and then I will upload the question answers in your WhatsApp group. So quickly come to the grammar fun portion. Grammar fun. Already I have explained this, but still I am writing the answer. Okay, so let's write it. Singular and plural. I think you know these 2 terms. Singular means only one person or one thing, single thing. And with singular we use is and am. And in plural we use are only. Okay. Now, where we use these 3 be verbs, is used with single person or single thing, like the boy, the girl. Okay. So with single person we use is, and am is only used with I. So am is only used with I. So we always write I am a girl. We never write I is a girl or I are a girl. Similarly, the boy is good. The girl is good. So we use is with the boy. But similarly, if we write the boys, that means there are more than one boy, right? So it will be the boys are, the girls are, okay? At that time, we never write the boys is, the girls is, okay? So the boys are good. The girls are good. So this is the pattern. So similarly, I am going to write the answers only from your book. Okay? Already I have discussed and I have given the answers, but still I am writing only the answers. In the first question, Janak is singing. So first answer will be is. In the second, it will be the cat is on the mat. The cat is on the mat. In the third, I am Amol. I am Amol. In the fourth, it will be grandpa is playing tennis. Okay? It will be is. It will be is. And in the fifth, it will be we are friends. We are friends. So, today up to this, and we will do the next portion, that means from 8, we will do in our next English 2 class. Thank you, students.